All right, this is the Nuremberg track. And you're racing all F1 cars. Very tedious. I find that using the soft tires always seems to help. But they got a little shortcut in here. And then you're on your own for the rest of this thing. This is very tedious. But you gotta have the steering wheel, and you gotta turn off the force feedback. I unplug it, and it works best that way for me. You gotta find out what works. Now here comes the shortcut. You head on off to the left. Then you come on up the hill. And then you make your move about in here. Right in here. You can get about 3 or 4 cars. But you gotta slow down. So that's your shortcut on that race. But it's sheer practice, practice, and more practice. All right. And that's the F1 series. How to win that race. Talk to you later.